Welcome to this video on the architecture of insight. We will navigate the Star Schema, Snowflake Schema, and the modern hybrid data warehouse. Behind every dashboard and business report is a data model doing the heavy lifting. Organizations today do not just struggle with collecting data. They struggle with organizing it in a way that is fast, reliable, and easy to analyze. A poor structure can slow queries, confuse users, and create inconsistent reporting. That is why choosing the right schema is not just a technical decision, but a business decision that directly affects decision-making speed and data quality. The Star Schema is designed for simplicity and speed. It uses a central fact table surrounded by descriptive dimension tables, making it easy to understand and quick to query. This structure reduces join complexity and is especially useful for reporting, dashboards, and self-service analytics. Because the model is denormalized, users can explore business data with fewer technical barriers, which is why Star Schema is often preferred for performance-focused BI environments. The Snowflake Schema takes a more normalized approach. Instead of keeping all descriptive data in one-dimension table, it breaks those dimensions into smaller related tables. This makes the model more organized, more structured, and often better aligned with master data management. Snowflake Schema is useful when data integrity, consistency, and governance are top priorities. While it may introduce more joins, it provides a cleaner and more controlled enterprise data structure. When we compare the two models side by side, the trade-offs become clear. Star Schema is simpler, faster for querying, and easier for business users to understand. Snowflake Schema is more normalized, more structured, and better suited for data governance. Star Schema usually performs better in dashboards and analytical reporting, while Snowflake is stronger when organizations need centralized control and highly consistent dimension management. The best choice depends on whether speed or structure is the primary goal. This slide shows how query execution reflects model complexity. In a Star Schema, queries usually require fewer joins because related data sits closer to the fact table. That leads to simpler SQL and faster execution. In a Snowflake Schema, queries often require more joins because dimensions are split across multiple tables. This can increase complexity and execution time, although it improves data consistency. In practice, Star Schema saves time for analytics, while Snowflake Schema shifts more of the burden toward data modeling and query processing. The modern hybrid architecture, or data lakehouse, synthesizes both. The reporting layer uses Star Schema for BI, while the clean layer uses Snowflake Schema for consistency and quality. To conclude, Star Schema is the best choice for insight delivery when speed and simplicity matter most. Snowflake Schema is ideal when governance, consistency, and structural control are more important. For many organizations, the smartest solution is a hybrid architecture that uses both models together. This allows businesses to scale analytics efficiently while keeping the data foundation strong, reliable, and enterprise-ready. Thank you for listening.